First of all, tell me what is your name
My name is Sayyida Tipu Sultan.
and what's your father's name?
My father's name is Tipu Sultan.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Razia.
Okay. When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
And how do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Okay. And when do you come back from school?
I come back from school 2 p.m.
What type of food do you like?
I like Indian food
And why do you like this type of food?
because it's tasty.
Not because, it's because.
It's because it's tasty, hygienic, easy to cook, etc.
Okay. Can you cook this type of food?
No, I can't cook.
Okay. What is the difference between Indian food and fast food?
Indian food is good for health. It's easy to cook. It's hygienic. It's affordable. And fast food is not good for health. It's too oily and expensive.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at 3
Do
p.m.
you play? Okay.
Yes, I play.
Okay. Are you a player?
No, I'm not clear.
Which type of sport do you like?
I like hockey and kho and cricket.
Which is your favorite food?
What?
Favorite dish?
My favorite is mutton mandi.
Mutton. What do you do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 5:30 am on weekdays. After 10 pleasant minutes in bed, finally I get up and I brush my teeth and drink a glass of water. Then I go to prayer, morning prayer. Then I take bath. After taking bath, I wear my school uniform and have my breakfast. Then I leave my house and I go to school. Our school starts from 8 o'clock in the morning and ends at 2 p.m. After school, I arrive home at 3 p.m. Then I go to prayer, noon prayer. Then I go to washroom and freshen up and have my lunch. Then I go to prayer, afternoon prayer. After prayer, I eat some snacks in the evening. After that, I spend free time for about 1 hour by playing, watching, listening to Naat, etc. After that, then I go to prayer, evening prayer.
Okay. And after evening prayer, what you do?
After prayer, I do my school homework. After completing homework, I study other books. Then I go to prayer, night prayer. I have dinner at around 9 p.m. And finally, I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Okay. Very good. MashaAllah.